Hi, and the dark skies have arrived, and today I've got a bit of a problem. I've driven back off the motorway today, come back off the motorway, and what happened was we were in the car, and we were in the cockpit, and just as we were driving towards some traffic lights, it was only about 7 miles from home, 5 miles from home. Basically, I started getting black smoke coming through the car, and it was coming into the inside of the car. So I pulled over and stopped, and I was trying to work out what it was. There was no lights on the dashboard or anything like that. So I took it off, the cover, and then what I seemed to get, I think the black smokes was coming from here. So I'm starting to think, I think what's happening, and there was the smoke, so I just stopped, and then I decided about 10 minutes later to drive home, and by the time I got home there was a little bit of squealing, so I think it could be, one of the belts or something like that, or the accessory belt or the cam belt. My car's done 169,000 miles, and I think I changed it at 84, and it's just over 5 years. So I guess that's why you should try and stick to the intervals, because I think it is just about is that. The other thing is that it's been changed at 63,000, and we're now at 169, and I haven't changed it. So what I noticed was I was just debating whether I should drive it or not. I know I'll just show you that there is a bit of darkness there on my top as well, and I suppose this isn't a very good either. But what you can, if we look down, and I'll try, I think I can see on the belt there's a slight cut in it. Let me just see if I can find that. See that there? Let's just see. No, I can't. I'll try and get a picture. So really what I'm wondering is, do I tow the car to get it to the garage for 7 miles? Or do I get my friend to tow it? But then I wouldn't have power steering and stuff like that on. Is that possible? I'm not sure. So I'm not really sure. Or do I just try and drive it the 7 miles? So at the moment I'm not really sure what I should do really. So that's where I'm up to, and hopefully when I take it to the garage I normally go to, they'll be able to tell me what's up. But that's what happened. So hopefully if I have to drive it tomorrow, I'll just go slowly and hopefully I'll take it back.